Example 2. This is an example of somebody got way out of hand when they were making a problem. Notice we got a beginning bracket here and an end bracket here. And inside the brackets we got a beginning parentheses and end parentheses. Can everybody see that one of those isn't necessary? Yeah, the bracket or the parentheses, take your pick, doesn't matter. One of them isn't necessary. Again, they got, I mean, if there was another number like in there, then maybe, but yeah, there's no need for either the bracket or the parentheses, take your pick. One of those is not necessary. Also, if you recall back from Wednesday when we had stuff on top, stuff on bottom, there's officially a grouping symbol around the top and the bottom. You want the top worked out, the bottom worked out separately. So if I was taking this problem on, what I would do is I'd copy it out of my book like this. I'd put top, and I'd write out -3 brace. I'd probably go to -2 minus 3 without the brackets. And I might even make that times -2 end brace. Okay? So brackets or parentheses, I mean, I like parentheses better than brackets personally. I like them both better than braces, but doesn't matter. But again, bracketed and parentheses, that's too much going on, so just simplify it out. So inside these, I'm going to change these to brackets now. -2 minus 3 is equal to -5. That's being multiplied by -2. Notice the multiplication signified by the brackets right next to each other, so it's still multiplication. Inside that bracket, -5 and -2 make +10. Same signs, when you multiply, it creates a positive. And -3 times 10 is -30. Opposite signs create a negative when you multiply. So the top comes out to -30. The bottom is -3 parentheses 4 minus 2. That's just a simple group here, so we do the group first. 4 minus 2 is 2. We multiply -3 and 2 makes -6. Opposite signs gives me a negative. I subtracted here because the signs are different. 4 is bigger, so it's positive. Those are the rules happening there. And once I've evaluated the top to a single number and bottom to a single number, the answer is the top divided by the bottom. It'll be +5. Positive because the signs are the same. And 5 because 30 divided by 6 equals 5. Alright, again, paying close attention to detail, going step by step through the process, thinking about the rules that you're doing. I added because the signs are the same. It's negative because 3 is bigger. I subtract because the signs are different. It's positive because 4 is bigger. I get a negative when I multiply opposite signs. I get a positive when I divide the same sign. I get a negative when I multiply opposites. I get a positive when I multiply the same. Those types of rules, that's what you need to be thinking about while you're doing the problems. The more you think about it right now, the less you have to think about it down the road, and the right answers will just pop up on your paper without taking much time, and you'll be very accurate and very fast, and math is much more fun when you're fast. Okay? It's very frustrating when you're slow, or you're fast and you make a bunch of errors, one or the other. Right? So speeding yourself up because you're paying close attention to detail, understanding the properties is the key.